All right, you guys, I learned something from watching a YouTube video. His YouTube channel is the name of Stuzman, and he pointed out that this here connector has a male and female end. And where does this go? All right. He pointed out that this here yellow and white wire runs all the way to the gauge cluster as part of the fuel sending unit. So let me just zoom in real quick here. Look at what I found. This was corroded, but this is some sort of a spade connector of some sort of, like they tried to reconnect that wire. Well, after doing that, my tank was reading full all the way, like the original one was, and now and again the fuel gauge, the original fuel gauge works. It's just off. And I think it's fine. It could have been that the whole time. Just really slow too, so I just got this one. It's very expensive. Autometer, you know, they always help you out with the right one, but for something this tiny, I felt like I could have just gotten an aftermarket gauge would have been fine. Anyway, so when I first hooked it up, I have a video on that also. It did show half tank. And then when I was driving, hitting some bumps, it went all the way past full, way past full, to where this marker is here, where this screw is here, went about right there. Just kind of like that one, as you can see right there, it's going all the way down. Now that I messed with that yellow wire and I moved it around, this is what I get. An accurate reading. I have more than half a tank. So that's really good, and I'm glad that I know that that's the issue now. It was just a corroded wire that was tampered with, and moved it around. It's back to working. All right, just want to share that with you guys. I knew that it wasn't my sending unit, because my sending unit is only 2 years old, and so anytime I need to look at my sending unit, all I gotta do is just remove the back here. It's a wooden bed. This whole thing is a wooden bed. As you can tell right there, it's not the original bed. It was converted to a platform bed a while ago. So, hope you find this helpful. Comment if you have any questions. I'm glad that I was able to fix mine.